Video now.
Oh.
Woo! Hey, Cherish!
Oh, you look so cute. What are you doing? Oh, you are no shame.
Go get a room, you two. Stop flirting with my boyfriend or I'll kill you.
I'm not flirting with him. This is my regular thing.
I doubt it.
You want my hoodie?
Hello. This is going on our channel, Cherish.
It's cold!
I'm getting you all wet, man! Woo! I'm getting you all wet. I love you too, Cherish.
It's raining.
What?
Yeah.
Woo! I can't take Monty to the rec centre. It's raining. Stop raining!
I want to go to the rec center.
I don't have any money though.
I have like $3, but I have to go home and get changed. Get wet!
I am not wet. Thank you very much. We'd have an orgasm.
Oh my god, it's raining. No, it's my back.
Who's that? Whose stuff is that?
Mine.
Okay.
Get off!
Rape.
Get off, get off, get off, get off.
Rape.
Are we all leaving now?
No. My iPod.
Play me.
I'm taller than you now. What?
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
That's that.
Taller than you now. What?
It looks like you're wearing a toga. Headbutt to the stomach.
Wait, can you stand there?
I'm going to say no, but whatever.
No. I'm getting your jacket wet.
Put me down!
Ah!
Oh shit!
Don't do that.
I don't want to go to the
Get wet.
Fuck.
You know?
Not really.
Okay, well, it's starting to rain, so you want to be out here?
Cherish.
No!
Hold this while I put on my sweater.
No! Ah! No! Put me down!
Get that.
Put me down! Put me down! Put me down! Put me down! Put me down!
Aren't the two lovebirds so sweet? And
Oh crap!
just like I freak out like that every time I get to talk to her.
Oh crap!
Better not get any ideas.
I'm getting all of you in the shot.
No, I'm not.
That was
I'm not
ninja.
stupid enough to.
Here.
You freaking attacked me
It's
last
looking
time.
at your sweater. Wonderful.
Where's your leash, Monty?
Freaking lovebirds.
There you go. I love your face, Dylan. Dylan. Ah. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, Monty.
And I'm now warm.
Might have to take you home, huh? What?
That is sexual. I'm not warm.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
That's always as funny as when I pulled
I'm
out your towel.
I'm good right now,
Where are
but
we going?
actually I'm good.
Wreck, I think.
No, I'm gonna go to Max and get something.
Please buy me something.
You getting more whipped cream, are ya?
Yes!
No.
Oh my god, yes!
I don't have enough money yet. I'd have to go home and get money. I'm gonna go home. Come home with me. No. And I love you forever. I love you forever.
You don't even have to go home and get money, Whitney.
It's gonna break.
Stay, please.
Not when I'm on it.
Just stay before I go. Don't freaking kick me in the face.
Except the board wouldn't break that way, but if you were to swing forward, I mean, Whitney could break it that way. Amy could probably break a board that way.
You just called us fat.
No. Amy's skinnier than a fucking bald cat. Devin.
Stay for 1 second.
Devin. Have you ever seen a fat bald cat? I have never seen a fat bald cat.
That's gross.
Dude, I'm gonna stay outside till that second Monty.
Thank you.
Shut up, Devin.
Don't leave me! I love you! Come here! Don't. I love you.
Whitney, you don't have to go home.
Yes, I do.
I have like $35.
Well, then you guys come to my house, and then we'll get my shorts and then we'll go.
You're wearing shorts.
Yeah, but
Oh.
You know, we could go swimming in the rec center if we go back to my house and get my stuff.
No.
My shoes got wet.
No, it can't. It would have been over by now.
Hey, what are you doing? What are we doing?
We're going to Max first. I love you. I'll see you later. Oh, fuck. I don't have to do anything. This is the easiest way to go. And it's cheap. I don't have to pay anything, do I? I'm freaking
The
wet.
only thing you have to do is steer.
Steering, and that just takes energy. I'm fucking lazy.
Watch out.
No, really. Don't kill me! Continue going.
Okay, she's good.
Go! Faster! Faster, slave! Oh shit! Don't do that! Don't do that, you couldn't do it.
Let the giant's head.
This is going on my new channel, even though it hasn't been made yet. Sad face. Go! I'm racing you! No! Fuck you. I quit! I quit! I freaking quit! Where the fuck are you going? Run! The car's coming. Another car's coming. Run! That's retarded. Okay. Skateboard. You're all slowpokes over there. Yeah, they're all slowpokes. Ah. Down the alley and around the corner. There's a man. I don't know what happened. Alyssa's ditching me. Son of a bitch. It's raining. I'm wiping on my boob. It's okay though. It's okay. Oh god. Probably making out to those two leopards. Don't kill me!
Friend.
No! No!
Waiting?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm moving backwards. Let me move backwards. No! No, no. I'm good here. I'm good. They're probably making out, you know.
Did you just say I'm gay?
No. I said they were probably making out.
Before that. Where's Cherish?
She left.
I see.
Go home.
I see.
And I'm sad. I'm just waiting on a skateboard. What the fuck are we doing? Oh my god, dear worm. My legs are shaking because I'm so freaking cold. 'Cause Amy made me go through the thing with her dog. That was freaking funny. And then the dog went and like, you know how dogs shake. Yeah, the kids. That was fucking hilarious. You two are probably making out, you lovebirds. Fucking lovebirds, you two are probably making out on me. Okay. Can we go to my house? Can we go to my house and get stuff? And then we can. Yes! We're going to Max first.
Can you buy me something like little?
Yeah. I have like $3.
I don't want to like dumb.
Wait, I have like $4. Oh.
$30? My
Yes, we're gonna take it. I'm waiting in.
Okay. I can live with that.
I'm not.
Going through mix. It's been 10 minutes and 10 seconds. Gonna get a banana. I'll see you guys later.